Beyond the Trail is a mid-elementary set of tune-up tunes featuring 3 short, one-page solos to help students improve reading the D major key signature and remember the C and F sharps. The first piece is a beautiful Misty Falls. The second piece is a reflective piece called Shadow Creek. And the final piece is a bright and happy Dancing on Sunshine. Compose Create Tune-Up Tunes are collections of 3 one-page pieces to help tune up different problems piano students have. The short pieces keep learning interesting while tuning up skills like bass clef reading, playing legato and staccato simultaneously, dotted quarter note rhythms, voicing between the hands, pedaling, and more. As a teacher, you'll love tune-up tunes because you can zero in on one problem in 3 short pieces, improving skills faster and without getting bogged down in too much music. Get the growing collection of downloadable tune-up tunes only from ComposeCreate.com.